Making the stuff, mixing the stuff, gonna have some slime in no time. Hi guys, this is Aunt Dom and Erin and Uncle Joe's on the camera. Today we're making a video of how to make sparkly slime for Erin's birthday. When was your birthday, Erin?
4.
Yeah, you turned 4. Yeah! So we're making a video for her to watch later and some slime for her to play with now. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start by emptying out the glue into the bucket. You ready to make this slime, baby girl?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'm going to open this and then you're going to pour it in there, right?
Okay, yeah.
Make sure you get all down there. What's that look like?
Yeah.
You're after it? Okay.
It's starting to get bigger.
Yeah, it's starting to get a big funnel in there. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. You're super strong, good girl.
There's still some left.
There's still some left. All done? Okay. You want to show the camera?
Yeah.
Look. It's in there. Yeah, that's all done. Good job. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a half a tablespoon of baking soda. So we have a rough tablespoon measurement and I'm going to just scoop some of that for her. You can go right ahead. Oh yeah, right in there. Yeah, work it out. Looks good to me. Let's add the other stuff before we stir. How's that sound?
Good.
Okay, good. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a full tablespoon of contact lens solution. And this is something that we had lying around because Uncle Joe and Aunt Dom wear contacts. Let's work it all in there. Get that going. Ooh, so full. Look at that. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. Look at that. Exciting. It still just looks like plain old stuff right now. Show the camera. Looks like plain old stuff right now. But it's alright. We're going to start adding some cool stuff to it. Like, what kind of colors do you want to add?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, so today we have all the primary colors with this, which is blue, yellow, and what's this one?
Orange.
Yeah, red! So which one you want to add blue in there?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Maybe I'll open it up for you. Oh, sorry, okay, go ahead. Squeeze just a little bit, I'll tell you when. Alright, that looks like that's good enough. Oh, not good enough, let me help you out. There you go. Let me see. Alright, you want to mix it up?
Yeah.
Or do you want to add some of this stuff right here?
Those stuff.
Yeah, that stuff. What is this over here?
Sparkles.
Sparkles! Pick one. Or two, whatever you want.
This one.
Okay, wait, over here. There you go, crazy. What? Oh, all sparkles. Okay, where's your this? Exciting! You ready to stir it up?
Yeah.
Okay, work it out.
Ooh.
Ooh, look at it, it's making it.
It's making this birthday slime. Can I add the others?
Yeah, add another one. Very patriotic.
Could open it high so it could add
Yeah. Wow.
I mix all the colors now and mix it. You mix it, you mix it, you mix.
Making the stuff, mixing the stuff, gonna have some slime in no time.
I just gonna put this is falling in there.
That looks good. That looks like a good amount. You want all of it in there though. Is that right?
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh, it's okay. Ooh.
Okay. Put this all in there. Oh, so shiny. Had it in there. Pat, pat, pat.
I'll take that.
Okay, let me spin it now. Okay. Now we got 2 things to mix it. Got 2 little sparkles and here's the mix. Now We need some
You need to mix it some more.
tea.
Do you need help mixing it? Is it getting slimy yet?
Yes.
Yes. You think we need some more contact solution?
Yes.
Yes.
I
Squeeze it in there. Just a dab. That sounds good.
just a little bit more.
Just a little bit more? Okay. Let's see. Mix it some more.
Now let's mix. Mix it all up.
Okay, it's looking pretty mixy. You think it's time to take it out the bowl maybe? And squish it with our hands?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Okay, you gotta get all the slime.
You gotta get all the
And
slime.
then context it.
Mm-hmm. Do you want Aunt Dom to help you?
I got it.
You got it.
Mm-hmm.
She got it, guys. Okay. Oh, here's Steve. Yeah, I got it. Let's see.
Kiwi. Yeah.
All right.
Don't touch it. Easy. It's so. I can't get out your hand. It's so slimy. That's so easy. It can't come off my hand.
It's not coming off your hand. Okay. Okay, let Aunt Dom knead it a bit. Let me knead it together. Okay.
It's so disgusting.
Okay, I think some of this is paint. Okay.
I gotta make this.
Let me get the stuff off your palm. Okay, that's everything down right there.
Oh, you want to make it?
Okay, get some on. So you have your hands.
Maybe it's more.
Some more. I don't think anything else.
It's more.
Or is it okay with this?
I think I'll make it more.
Look, check it out. Check this out. Look. Play with that. Amazing.
Can you make it into a nice muddy puddle?
And now you guys is our slime. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.